In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to clean the interior of your car. I cleaned the steering wheel off already, and I cleaned these door panels, but I haven't cleaned this dash and these vents and all this stuff, so I'm going to take you guys through kind of my process of how I like to clean a dash. Here's kind of the first step I like to do. I like to assess everything, right? So I go across and look at this dash. I see dust everywhere. There's all dust inside these little vents here, dust and you know, like this little gauge cluster. So a lot of times they get kind of funky looking. Obviously your steering wheel, which like I said, I've already cleaned off, but like your touch points like this little stalk, it's kind of chalky looking. What I like to have at my disposal is a number of utility towels, microfiber towels. This is going to be your best friend for this process. These type of towels, I'll leave links to all the products in the description, but these towels work really well on a number of surfaces. And then you have your cleaner. This is Adam's all-purpose interior cleaning gel. This stuff works well on all types of surface material. So it's good on plastic, it's good on leather, it's good on vinyl, it's good on cloth. After you clean it, obviously you want to protect it, and this is Carbon Collective Nuovo. It's an interior detailer, but it has ceramic based protection inside of it, so really strong protectant, and it also makes the surface look really rich and dark. The other thing you can use for that purpose is Adam's leather conditioner. Another thing I have are a number of little brushes here. I've got one that I'm dedicating to actual cleaning, and then I've got another soft one that's going to be dedicated to the dusting. So I'm going to dust the vents with this. Just kind of dust that out. Over here. I like to take one of these microfiber towels and spray a lot of my all-purpose interior cleaning gel into it. Don't need too much of it. And you just take this and go up to your top of your dash and just start wiping it. You'll kind of just take that process and go out throughout the whole dash. Take this soft brush, spray a little bit into the head of it. Maybe want to blot it down into the towel a little bit and take that across like the buttons and the radio. And then this little area here and across the vents. And just take your microfiber towel and follow up. Go back behind it and pick everything up. You can use your finger, kind of put your finger into the towel and just go across these little vents, each little slat, right, up and down, and it'll get that stuff out of there. Kind of fit it down into the little cracks and crevices to pick up any cleaner that's left over. Go kind of push it down into the cracks and crevices. You know, you don't want to use too much force, but it'll fit down in there. And if that doesn't work, I've got another little tool here. Basically, you can take this. This will help you get down into the little cracks and crevices. I could do the same down here on this cup holder, right? Dab your brush down into the towel. Now, some people might dust this first, but I'm just gonna go straight to it. So I'm gonna start just going over this with the brush, right? So now I've scrubbed that really well with this brush. I'm gonna take this towel and go back over it. kind of let the towel do the work, you know? Get it down into all the little areas. Now that looks 10 times better. So you can actually pull this little ashtray part out, right? I'll spray directly in here with the cleaner. Take the towel and go back behind it. You have to push the towel down into the corners, you know, but here it is. Pretty much clean that out. You could even take this all the way out of the vehicle and just spray it down with a hose if you wanted to. That might be the quickest way to do it. One thing I did neglect to mention is when you're doing this type of work on the interior of a vehicle, make sure you're not doing this in a car that's parked out in the sun, direct sunlight, because these surfaces can get really hot and you want to make sure that you're doing this on a surface that's cool to the touch. So once again, for the intricate areas, spray a little bit of cleaner into the head of this brush. Maybe 2 or 3 sprays. Kind of dab your brush into the towel. Go over here. Then your turn stalk. You can follow up with this towel here. Again, just take your hand and grip the towel and just lightly go over the surface. Now the surface is clean and just needs to be treated. Adam's leather conditioner. I just take a microfiber towel. All right. This is a clean towel, so just spray it in and then just start to wipe it across the surface. All right. A little bit more for the turn signal stalk. So this is going to condition it, protect it, make it look real nice. Before it's kind of chalky looking. Might throw another coat of it on there, just for good measure. A couple more sprays into the towel. Real easy to apply, right? Again, you can use like a small applicator or you can just use these towels. Microfiber works just fine. Go back to these buttons. See how nice that looks? Just darkens it up, gives it a real nice look. So that's a little trick there. You can even take a brush, you know, if you want to dedicate a brush to applying the conditioner, you could spray the conditioner into this. It works just fine. But what happens is it kind of gums up the fibers. So I don't like to use that unless I absolutely have to. So I use this more for dusting or cleaning. So I've got the microfiber utility towel and I've got Adam's all-purpose interior cleaning gel. I'm just going to go over the easy to reach surfaces of the dash really quickly, right? Maybe 5 sprays. See how it foams up real nice? Kind of blot the towel to kind of level it out so it's evenly distributed. And here, go to your dash, just wipe it away. Especially up top up here, is where you're gonna get a lot of dust and dirt and debris. Get up in the corners. Down here. Also, you wanna get this edge over here, this side of the dash. It's real easy to clean the dash off with this. Leaves it looking real nice. So I've got yet another microfiber towel here. This is going to be dedicated to applying Nuovo. Take your bottle, shake it up a little bit. Spray 2 sprays into this towel. Just take the towel across the surface here. You'll notice immediately starts to give it a very nice, deep, rich look. Just kind of go across the surface and let it soak in. Get the side over here. Get your glove box. A little goes a long way. But doesn't that look nice? This stuff works awesome. I do it on the door panels. I do it on the dash. I don't put it on the steering wheel. You don't want something slick on there. But pretty much all the dash surface up top, the doors, you know, underneath, down here. And like your kick seals, you can do it on that as well. Really great on plastic. It even works on leather. So that's kind of my process for cleaning interiors, and I hope this video helps you guys with some of that process. I'm leaving links to all the products in the description, and thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so every time I drop a video you'll be notified. And please give it a thumbs up if you found this helpful. Yeah, this is like video number 12 maybe on this Crown Vic. So I got a number of other videos if you want to check those out on this same car. So it's pretty much an auction car that I'm trying to bring back to life. So hope you'll follow along. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys on the next one.